Sticker sheets are a versatile way to bring your designs to life. Whether you're creating a collection of icons, adding personality to your packaging, or giving customers a little something extra, our sheets come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, from round and square to rectangles and even hearts. Whatever you're sticking with, we've got a sheet for the job. Open up your design software. In this example, we're using Illustrator. Start by setting up your artboard so it matches the stickers you're ordering. Don't forget to add a 3mm bleed around your design. Make sure your document is set to CMYK. It's the colour mode that gives the best print results. Check that your resolution is at 300 dpi. This ensures your artwork stays crisp and sharp when printed. Now drop your designs onto your artboard. Then click and drag it so it extends out to the red bleed line. This ensures your artwork fills each sticker completely and prints with a clean, seamless edge. If you're not using a template, you can still add a simple outline to check where your stickers will be cut. In Adobe Illustrator, use the ellipse tool and set the dimensions to match the sticker size you're ordering. We've set the colour to black here for easy visibility and changed the stroke to 0.1mm to give the most accurate guide. This helps make sure no text or important details sit too close to the edge. Using our templates is the easiest way to get everything set up correctly. Just a heads up, our round sticker templates look like squares in your design software. If you place your circular artwork inside the square template but don't extend it fully into the bleed, it can cause issues during production. You can also toggle the opacity of your artwork to see how it sits on the template layer. This makes it easier to check that everything lines up correctly and that no important details are too close to the edge. Don't forget to delete the template layer before exporting. That way your artwork is ready for print. Save out your file following the next steps. And that's it. Once your artwork is set up and your template layer is removed, your sticker sheet is ready for print. If you're ever unsure, our templates make it easy to get it right. And our team is always on hand to help. Happy designing!